Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on this Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you undo your negative battery cable. In case you're doing anything inside the engine bay or anything with the electric, you would want to disconnect your negative battery cable so you don't short anything and you don't shock yourself. So this is your battery located right here on the left hand side of the engine bay. You may or may not have a cover on here. Looks like there should be a cover on here, but it is missing. We have our negative battery cable connection right here, the black wire, and then the red is the positive. So we will just be able to undo this. We just need a size 10 millimeter wrench and be able to wrench or socket, but be able to just loosen this enough where this is loose, and then we can be able to remove our negative battery cable. And now we just want to make sure that it stays off over here so we don't have it slip over and reconnect, so that we don't shock ourselves or cause any other damage to the vehicle while we're working on it. The components that you'll definitely want to disconnect this for is like if you're doing anything that would involve the airbag system or alternator, starter, are the big major ones that you would be disconnecting this for so that you don't shock yourselves or cause the airbags to go off prematurely. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be a mechanic.